Hello, my name is Andrew Hernandez. I am a California licensed architect, and I am the author of How to Become an Architect Without a Degree, a guide to understanding the entire architectural licensing process in North America. Becoming an architect has been the most exciting and challenging accomplishment I've ever achieved. When I started pursuing architecture, I had no idea what was required or how long it would actually take to become an architect. I did not know the schooling requirements or that there was an alternative path that did not require a degree. I've consolidated all of the information into a conversational, easy-to-read explanation of the steps and requirements. In this book, you'll learn what an architect is, what an architect does, how much architects make, and of course, how to become an architect. If you are a parent, guardian, or guidance counselor, it is a great gift idea for the young adult or soon-to-be high school graduate, or anyone curious about architecture as a career. Whether attending an accredited university or following the unconventional work experience equivalent path that I did, after reading, you'll be armed with enough information to decide if architecture is the right career path for you. For anyone with any follow-up questions that wants to contact me directly, you can go to my YouTube channel, you can go to the Instagram, or you can email me directly, and I'll respond as soon as I possibly can. Thanks for reading.